Right, today we show you how to fix the Titan chainsaw. It's not turning its chain some reason, so I think its chain is blunt. So but you can try. I can show you first. Make sure it's on, choke is on, and primer 6 times, and chain is not turning, so I think chain is blunt or maybe guard. So I'll show you how to change the chain. So I can show you how to do this. Let's bring here. So you see them two nut here, take them off with this socket, which one coming in the box with when you buying chainsaw brand new, or you can use any spanner or socket to take them nut off, them two. So take them off. Right, make sure keep them, need this. Right, take the guard off, put that way, and take the chain off. I'll show you this. Look, as you can see, this chain is stuck in there, don't want to come off. So as you can see, this chain is blunt. As you can see, don't want to come off. That's mean chain is not very good anymore. So as you can see, this chain is naked from here. You can see teeth is gone. So what I got new chain. So this chain, spare chain coming in the box. Spare chains coming in the box. So I'm gonna put new chain in there. Let's try new chain. And you're gonna put new chain. Make sure it's not back to front, otherwise they're not gonna cut any boot. As you can see, this is nice easy turning when you put the new chain. Right, put this guard back on, and there you go, and put them two nut, which one you're taking off from there, and second one. Right, use this socket, or I said that before, any spanner or any socket you can use. I think that is 17 mil size of the nut. So make sure they're tight properly, so when motor start, they shake and they can become loose. And just check chain is not loose. That's good size, chain is not loose. But when it's chain loose, you can always, you can see this nut here. This is flat head. This you can see is loose, and so just you can use and tie the nut, and you don't. Right, you can see it's easy turning. I can show you. Turn it on. There you go. Again, primer in. Make sure choke is on and on position. So this is, there you go. No problem at all. So it's not working perfect. So now you can use this chainsaw anywhere. So thank you for watching my video. Hope you like it. Thank you very much.